There is a specific video format quietly crushing it right now, exploding pages to hundreds of thousands of followers in mere months. If you have ever wondered how a single clip racks up over 1 million likes, we are going to reverse engineer that exact success today. I am not just giving you a template to mindlessly copy, but teaching you the ingredients so you can build your own version and scale it. The structure of these videos is shockingly consistent, starting with a hook that jumps straight to a relatable, human-centered detail. Whether it is the scale of a black hole or the anatomy of the heart, the secret is pairing an ordinary concept with cinematic, slightly uncanny imagery. Next is audio, where a voice with weight is paired with a cinematic soundtrack to create an atmosphere that feels almost like sci-fi. The content itself must provide surprising comparisons, facts, or an unexpected perspective that keeps the viewer listening until the very end. Format is also critical. So many top creators lock into a consistent aspect ratio and visual identity to build audience expectation. Finally, the script must be tight, intentionally paced with short, punchy sentences that build curiosity and momentum. Now, let's look at how we recreate this process step by step, and how to fold automation into the workflow so you are not burning your life away editing. Phase 1 is to find and analyze your targets, picking the creators in your niche who are already winning and downloading their best clips. Import those clips into a transcription tool to get the raw script, because understanding their rhythm is the key to writing your own high-potential content. Phase 2 is writing a killer short script, keeping lines short and starting with an attention-grabbing sentence that anchors the audience. You can use AI tools to generate Titan variations, but always remember to keep the voice casual, like you are telling a friend an insane fact over coffee. Phase 3 is choosing your audio wisely, looking for high-quality, studio-sounding voiceovers that solve the problem of not having a professional actor. Pick one reliable audio source for your workflow so your delivery stays consistent across dozens of clips, which builds brand trust. Phase 4 covers visuals and footage generation, where you decide whether to use AI-generated uncanny visuals or traditional high-quality stock footage. Here is where Vizard comes in to save hours of manual labor by scanning your long-form videos to find the emotional peaks and best moments automatically. Instead of hunting for the viral slice yourself, let the software produce ready-to-post shorts so you spend your time approving content instead of editing. Phase 5 is to assemble quickly using smart tools to output multiple aspect ratios automatically so you do not have to reposition footage for every platform. Add music and sound effects intentionally, making sure the mix makes the voice feel cinematic without ever drowning it out. Phase 6 is all about captions, which are non-negotiable and must be accurate, styled to match your brand, and easy to read. Phase 7 focuses on automation, using scheduling features to maintain a consistent posting cadence without the stress of manual uploads. The content calendar is the tool that separates creators who post sporadically from those who actually dominate the algorithm. While tools like CapCut are great for one-off creative edits, they become a bottleneck when you need to process hundreds of clips, which is why batching is essential. Whether you are focusing on space, history, or psychology, the format is flexible enough to handle any niche that relies on wonder and curiosity. Your homework is to study 3 viral long-form videos in your niche, extract 5 to 10 clips, and start the cycle of posting and data testing immediately. The algorithm rewards speed and consistency far more than perfection, so do not be precious about your first few attempts at this. This workflow gets you from idea to scalable posting without turning your life into a full-time editing job, so make the content, test it, and iterate. Go try this formula today, and if you manage to hit one of those million-like videos, make sure to send over the link so we can celebrate your growth.